Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi la namhla siphinde sibe khona emidlalweni lomkhulu la khona kwendiwa ema-finals eSibebe Resort Tournament. Siyajabula nje to have been a part of this and sijabula kubona na community iphume ngetinkani to support these games. Siyajabula nje kakhulu nemidlalo siwubonile uchubeka kahle ngendlela lesimanga, siwabonile ama-team impela atimisele ngendlela lesimanga. For us nje just appreciate lokho ukuthi sibe part of i-community and sibone i-community ijabulile, ngoba ukujabula kwe-community kujabula kwethu as an organization because sikhonela yona i-community. Siyafisa naloko ukuthi nje iqhubeke le midlalo naseminyakeni lotako. We believe ukuthi sitawuphinde sihlangane probably in a bigger and better environment. Siyathemba nje ukuthi kutawuqhubeka kahle nakulomnyaka lotako. Sikhona, we are the community. We will continue to support this wonderful event. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much.
We see Afro Team Construction as part of Emabhenazdes now this year in your second episode of the sponsorship. What can be your comment or in light of that?
Afro Team, we have actually roped in Afro Team Construction as a sister company to Sibebe Resort, and we are hopeful logoguti they will assist us in terms of making the organization, making the event even much more bigger next year. We've roped them in this year so that they can just be part and see what actually happens, and we are sure next year they will be on board to actually support this initiative.
The community is already looking forward to the prize presentation of this prestigious event. Yendegile last year in a formal setup, lebe isesikwacha. Atinema focus la corner this year. What are the plans now?
For this year, we'll be expecting the winners and all the teams, especially their representative, to be a part of the prize giving ceremony that's gonna happen at Sibebe Resort. It's gonna be a formal event. It's gonna be a dinner, and we want our players to experience the international way of actually doing sporting.
That is beautiful. Maybe in terms of Bukula Sibebe Resort, tournament last year. What is your comment in terms now from last year in Sibebe Resort? Namuta Sesibuya, Sesigles Cavales, Sesnabo Afro Team Construction La Sebanati. Now Buga Siakula no Magwendega Ganjani.
Actually, we are seeing tremendous growth good stature of the tournament. Naloko ukuthi we are able to bring in some more corporates to come and be a part of this. And we believe ukuthi going forward it's gonna help a great deal in terms of adding value into the whole tournament.
With the excitement you've already expressed can you maybe usho ukuthi mhlambe next year solo nikhona noma ebholeni ndawo valelisa?
I know sikhona. We are in the community. The business is still continuing, and we are going to continue to sponsor this event. Just watch the space for next year. We are looking at bigger and better things next year.